اِنَّا أَرْسَلْنَا إِلَيْكُمْ رَسُولًا شَاهِدًا عَلَيْكُمْ كَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا إِلَىٰ فِرْعَوْنَ رَسُولًا. All the messengers of Allah were shaheed. None of them was killed. Only prophets, who were prophets only, not messengers, were killed. Hazrat Masih alayhi salatu wasalam, he was a messenger. Rasulan ila Bani Israel. He could not be killed. فَمَا قَتَلُوهُ وَمَا صَلَبُوهُ وَلَكِنْ شُبِّهَ لَهُ. Hazrat Yahya, John the Baptist, he was only a prophet, not a Rasul, not a messenger. He was killed. Hazrat Zakaria killed. But no messenger of Allah could be killed. Because Allah has decreed, كَتَبَ اللَّهُ لَأَغْلِبَنَّ أَنَا وَرُسُلِي. Allah has decided it, that I and my messengers, they will triumph, they will be successful. Even if whole the nation refused to accept the message of the messenger of Allah, the whole nation was finished. But you know, the messenger of Allah and the few people who accepted the call of faith, they were saved. What happened to Hazrat Nuh and his people? What happened to Hazrat Hud and his nation? What happened to Hazrat Saleh and his nation, and so on?